Hi guys, thanks for checking out another Cooking With Me video, episode 3, all about strawberries. Look at these strawberries, guys. The one thing my family can agree on when it comes to fruit is strawberries. If we don't agree on nothing else, strawberries are always a winner for dessert or some type of snack or anything like that. So as you can see here, I'm just cutting up strawberries in nice bite-sized pieces. And you guys, if you ever get the chance to go to the farm and pick your own strawberries, do so. Please, you will enjoy the experience. If you have kids, they will enjoy the experience. Do so. So here we have an English cucumber, and I like English cucumbers because the seeds are more tolerable. They're easier to eat. They're easier to chew. And so is the skin. The skin is um, not as waxy as a regular cucumber. So all I'm going to do is cut this into bite-sized pieces. Let me just tell y'all, my daughter tried to clown me when I told her to try this. She was like, right, Mom, really, really, right. I was like, okay, I just want you to try it. If you don't like it, don't worry about it. You don't have to eat it. I just want you to try it. She was the main one trying to clown me. She was the main one begging for some more because it's just a nice, fresh cleanse to the palate. The strawberries are not overpowering. It's just a nice cleanse to the palate. That's about a cup and a half size um, Ziploc storage container. And you just layer it in there. That's pretty much it. Now, I store these for probably up to no more than 2 days. I don't store them longer because I don't want my strawberries to break down. So I store them for like 2 days in the refrigerator. Now this is another small container. This container I use for my smaller kids, like my teenage kids. I use the other container. This is strawberry Greek yogurt. Now you can add some strawberries to that and stir it up and put it in a freezer. Great. It's like a strawberry ice cream. But you know those little $2 or $3 yogurt breakfast cereal things? Bam. There you go. Simple. Just put you some fruity cereal on top with your yogurt and they can take it on the way out the door to school. No problem. Now, this is also strawberry Greek yogurt. And as you can see, the Tupperware containers have different designs on them. That's on purpose, y'all. So you add the strawberries and granola. This is a strawberry yogurt parfait. When I tell you good, I mean all of my kids, my husband, everybody in my family like it. But I get the different color Tupperware designs because I have one that's like a Frozen symbol and then one that's like a Marvel Comics. So those are for the boys and then the Frozen symbol is for the girls. And then this square shaped one is for my husband. So everybody knows which ones are for them. So we don't have no problems or no arguments in the, with the Tupperware in the refrigerator. Oh, I thought that was mine. No, you didn't, because it's not even your shape. So with this yogurt parfait, it is all about strawberries, but I want to show you guys a variation with vanilla yogurt. I prefer vanilla Greek yogurt. I love vanilla Greek yogurt. I love strawberry Greek yogurt because if you freeze it, it has more of an ice cream type taste if you are, kind of watching your figure or whatever. And also the strawberries and cucumbers are very low in carbs, so you can take those if you're watching your diet. So this one is for my husband. His is not so packed to the top because he has to work and I don't want him to eat his lunch and get sleepy. It's just a nice little snack to help carry him along the day. And these I make a day or two in advance. You can make a few of them and put them in the refrigerator. Maybe no more than 2 days. I know they have them in the grocery store longer, but for me, I like my strawberries to stay firm. I don't like them to get mushy. So for me, no more than 2 days. And trust me, it's 9 of us, so they're going to go through it like water. So it's not even an issue with it going bad. Now, this is also one with vanilla Greek yogurt, but this is for my daughter who has nut allergies. So if you have a child who has nut allergies, they can have a parfait as well, but just omit the granola. She loves granola, but she's has an allergy to all kind of nuts. We found that out later. She kept getting sick. But anyway, if you guys want, I can do another video on how we found out how allergic this girl was to nuts, and just by the grace of God, she never had a reaction. It was just nothing but a blessing. But if you guys want to hear the story of that, just leave it in the comment section of how we found out how allergic she was to nuts. This is how I stack them in the refrigerator, guys. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye, guys.